Okay, so I just want to show you this product here. I've been sent this to trial out and to show you the results on my channel. This is Moss Terminator. It's a moss and algae inhibitor product. You dilute it down, treat an area, and it will kill off the moss and algae, any organic growth. And the key thing with this is it's fast acting. It's friendly to pets as well. So I've already tried it out on a roof clean that I did last week, where I scraped a section of roof. There was a lot of moss and lichen around the chimney area especially, so I treated that. I went back a couple of days later and it was really good. You can see, especially where the lichen was, it had really cleaned that away just after a couple of days. So I was really impressed with that. And on a roof like that, you usually see a continual improvement of the roof over the next few months as well. So I'll have to keep an eye on that and see how it goes. Today I'm trying it out on this paved area. This is a bit unusual because it's this kind of cobbled effect area, but it's a bit mossy, as you can see. So literally I've just diluted it this time in a watering can. The dilution rate is a ratio of 1:4. So I've done 2 litres in a 10 litre watering can. It's a bit over a 10 litre watering can, but I've got about 10 litres of water in there. So I'm just going to use the watering can literally to treat the area, and then I'll come back tomorrow and see what it looks like. And also, in this area of patio there's also a number of walls, a walled area. So I've diluted the product into a knapsack sprayer. It's like a gardener's knapsack sprayer. So I can be more precise in where I'm spraying it to use it on the tops of these walls as well. But you could use a DIY pump sprayer in a similar way. Basically, it doesn't really matter how you apply a solution like this. You can apply it in any way that you want, using a sprayer, a watering can, a pump system, which I was using for the roof. As long as you saturate the area that you're treating, make sure the organic growth has been completely soaked with the solution, then it will have the desired effect. So that's all you need to make sure you do that. Some of those walls I'm going to be pressure washing afterwards, so I'm planning to pre-treat them and then I'll pressure wash it when I come back tomorrow as well. And yeah, we'll see how we get on in this area. We'll see how it works. where I use the Moss Terminator that I've been testing out recently, and it was quite mossy here and there was some weed growth and things like that, so I wanted to show you the results here of what I've been able to achieve. Now, I was here at this job doing a number of different aspects of the job. It was quite large and I was here for 2 days. So the first day, first thing in the morning, I treated this area with the Moss Terminator. So then I came back and I cleaned it the following day in the afternoon. So it was quite fast acting and it's really come up really quite nice. So I'm really pleased. It's really brightened up the area. It's got rid of all the moss. In fact, from the pressure washing, you can see some places where there is a little bit of moss left behind, and you can see that it's died off, and that might even weather away further in the future. So it's been really interesting to try it out, and yeah, I've been really pleased with what I've been able to achieve here. So that's been really good. I used the last little bit, just diluted it in a watering can and applied it to the pavement, saturating it thoroughly. Still a little bit grubby in places. I think it could do with a good pressure washing really, but what you can see is the algae is definitely died away and there's been a massive improvement to the paving, and I'd expect that this will continue to improve over the next couple of months as well, depending on how many people's muddy shoes go on it, I suppose, but it's a pretty good result. Moss Terminator, the ultimate in moss and algae control. It's fast acting, it's supposed to be friendly for pets as well, it's really easy to use.